Welcome back to Zendesk Unlocked. Some tickets, such as GDPR data deletion requests, require extra care. In today's video, I'm going to make sure your agents never miss an important step for your crucial processes. Our aim is to set up a trigger that will add an internal note giving your agents clear instructions on what to do. That way, agents never have to leave the workspace or ask a team supervisor for an extra pair of hands. Let's start building our example trigger. Jump ahead to Actions and add an internal note for your agents to see. This keeps everyone aligned, removes mistakes, and avoids guesswork. Now for the smart bit. Let's add a tag so this trigger only runs once. Then, in the conditions, we check that tag isn't already there. As a bonus, these tags can also help you build really insightful Explore reporting. Here are the conditions. Set the status to new. Agent replies 0, category is GDPR data deletion request, or whatever your trigger's based around, and then tag does not contain auto internal note, or your auto internal note tag specific to your use case here. The result, a simple, built-in safety net for your agents. Fast to set up, invisible to your customers, and ensures nothing gets missed. You can use a similar approach for other sensitive topics, or even add empathy keys for particularly unhappy customers, like we looked at in our previous video. Let us know how you'll use automatic internal notes in the comments below.